means what? See here. Rationalize the denominators always. Means rationalization means what? Remove this root. Okay. So 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon 1 upon 1 plus root 2 into 1 minus root 2 upon 1 minus root 2. Why have you taken this? This is known as a conjugate. Conjugate means all the numbers are same but the sign is opposite. Okay. So 1 minus root 2 becomes remains as it is, and below a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 minus root 2 square is 2. So 1 minus root 2 as it is, and this becomes minus 1. So minus 1 plus root 2. Now similarly 1 upon root 2 plus root 3, right? Second term. So what will it be? Same logic if you follow this. 1 upon root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. So root 2 minus root 3 as it is in the numerator, and this will become 2 minus 3 because a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Root 2 square is 2, root 3 square is 3. So this becomes minus 1. So it becomes minus of root 2 minus root 3, right? This expression becomes that. Now you can carry on everything, all of these, it will be same. So now our expression becomes what? Instead of writing all this, what we can write? It will be like this: minus of 1 minus root 2 minus of root 2 minus root 3 minus of root 3 minus root 4 goes on, and minus of root 8 minus root 9, right? Now solve the brackets. So minus 1 plus root 2 minus and plus. Similarly minus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 4 goes on and on. It means what? This root 2 gets cancelled, root 3 gets cancelled. Similarly root 4 will get cancelled. Similarly root 8 will get cancelled. Okay. What will remain? Minus 1 over here and this root 9 over here. But what is root 9? Root 9 is 3. So minus 1 plus 3, that becomes 2. So that is the answer. The product of two consecutive natural numbers is. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.